Hello everyone. Let us now explore the fifth tool, that is Polygon tool. You can see polygon, regular polygon, rigid polygon, vector polygon. Though we are going to use mostly polygon and regular polygon, but let us just explore what other two are. Let me first draw a polygon. Let me just draw a triangle. If I have to draw a triangle, I have to click on first point, second point, third point, and again the starting point. Okay. For regular polygon, I have to choose a side and then number of sides. Again, I am going to draw a triangle itself, though you can draw any number of sides. Regular polygon, rigid polygon. Let me again draw a polygon. Let us just explore all these terms today. This is rigid polygon. You can see one difference. The point is not shown here. Okay, we will explore all this. Vector polygon. Vector polygon, definitely in 11th, 12th classes we uses. Yes. Now let us just explore. Let us just try to move them, their vertices. What is the difference in all these? Let us just move. I am moving in first simple polygon A point. I can move, and if shape etc. is changing, I can move C also. I can move B also. This is a simple polygon, and if I want to move the complete polygon, I will just click on the center and move it. Okay, it can be moved in any way. Now the regular polygon. Regular polygon, if I want to move this point, you can see it will remain regular always. Its length can change, but it is a regular polygon only. E point, D point in the same way. Okay, but F point, which is created by the GeoGebra itself. I have given the input for D and E. I can change them, but it is still a regular polygon. But I cannot change F. I cannot move it. Yes, I can move complete polygon by clicking on it itself. Okay, so there is a change. It will remain regular polygon only. I can change its position. I can change its length, but it will remain regular polygon. Yes, now rigid polygon. What is the difference? Let us just see. Rigid polygon. If I am moving edge, it cannot move anyway. It is circular movement only. Circular movement only. Okay. Third vertex, they have themselves removed. Let us just move G. It will move anywhere, but the complete figure will remain as such. As you see here, we can change the position. Other two vertices are there itself, but here if G moves, then complete polygon will move and remain as such. No change in size also. Here with edge, using edge, we can move it in a circular mode. Okay, through third vertex we cannot move. So it is rigid because we cannot change its length, side, etc. It will remain as such. Now vector polygon. This is vector polygon. Let us just move its first vertex. It is moving completely. We can take it anyway, right? The two vertices are also moving with it. Okay, this is the starting point, initial point. Let us just move K. Yes, In this way, we can change the shape, but it will follow the vector addition still. Okay, we can change its position also, but from the initial point, the complete polygon can be moved. Okay, likewise, we can move from the center also. We can move from the center this also. We can move any one of these using center, but through vertices we have observed the changes. I hope you have understood. So that's all about the polygon tool.